What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be restoring this paint on this 2002 Cadillac Escalade. Now you can see there's a bunch of little scratches. Looks like a dog was hanging out this window or something. That's actually kind of hard to see on camera. There we go. But yeah, there's just a bunch of little minor scratches here and there. But overall, paint's in good condition, but just a lot of light scratches, and I think I can get a lot of it off. So yesterday I cleaned it really good and then clay barred it. Back here on the back's kind of bad. I don't know if I can get this to look better or not. We'll see. Give you side view. But I think this is going to end up, this paint will look really nice once I do all this. So I got a little buffer, got some rubbing compound, polishing compound. I should have a little bit of a rougher pad, like a compound pad, but these ones should do the job. We'll see how well it works. So I'm gonna wipe her off one more time. Then I think we're gonna start on this door. Start right here, see how well we can end up making these scratches look. All right, guys. So I've made 2 passes on this door, and you can see I got a lot of the scratches out. There's a couple there that are a little bit deeper than what I thought, or deeper than the other ones, but compared to before, I got a ton out. You can see this door still has some I haven't touched. Down here, kind of hard to see right there. There's some, but it was really bad. Now you can probably see now that it's definitely a lot smoother, definitely a lot less scratches. I'm using this clean cut rubbing compound from Turtle Wax. I hit this front fender too. Looking pretty nice. I think I'm gonna just compound the whole car, and then I'll go back over it with the polishing compound, make it look nice, and then I might even wax it after that. So let me put you guys on the time lapse. We'll get to work. Alright guys, so I just finished cleaning up this Escalade. I just put a coat of wax on her. So I hit her with the rubbing compound first, then polish, then wax. The very first thing I did was use a clay bar. You can see over here. This is the one I used for my truck. This is the one for the Cadillac, and this is unused. You can see my truck was real dirty. Cadillac not so much, but not as bright as the brand new one, and that's brand new. I got a lot of the scratches off. I showed you a little bit already. Some of them are deeper than others, like down there. Couldn't get all that off. This door had a bunch of scratches. A lot of them are still there, but they're just a lot harder to see. Looks like sticks and stuff, and I don't know, who knows what. A lot of stuff over the years have probably scratched this up. This side turned out pretty nice. One of these days I'm probably gonna go back over it with like some 3000 grit sandpaper, and then the actual cutting compound disc I need, and I'll do it all again and get even more of this stuff off. There's a lot of little chips here and there, so I need to get a paint pen, hit up a bunch of spots that are chipped, and after I do that I'll redo everything. But this paint's actually really nice. I love the sparkles in it. I don't know how well it picks up on camera, but it's a really nice paint. Right there, it looks pretty good. But yeah, the only thing I haven't really done yet is this front bumper, just because the bumper gets a lot of abuse, has a lot of scratches on it. I might end up doing it, but I got a lot of it done for now. After cleaning everything, the worst part about this truck is the hood. There's lots of little chips here and there on the hood, so I might actually get this repainted one day, because I really like this Escalade. Probably gonna keep it for a long time. But yeah guys, definitely cannot see as many scratches as before. Now there's some that are pretty bad here and there that I couldn't get out with just the basic polish and compound, but I definitely got a lot of the minor scratches out. You guys saw over on the door, that was probably the biggest difference. Back here, all these scratches are pretty mean. They're staying there until I get a little touch-up pen, or even get that painted one day. I'm not sure what I'll do yet. But yeah guys, made the biggest difference right here on the driver door. Got a lot of them real basic scratches out, and she's looking pretty good. Now keep in mind, this is a 20-year-old vehicle with 20-year-old paint, so you really can do only so much. But I'm gonna keep at it little by little, and eventually I'm gonna have this paint looking really nice. So that's it guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Hopefully somebody out there learned something. You can get these scratches off with just some compound and some polish. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. I'm probably gonna have a future video showing you how to get out the deeper scratches, ones that don't come out with just a basic compound. So make sure you hit subscribe for that. And that's it guys, hope you have a great day. Peace.